Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to practice using our glitter jar. Some of you might recognize the glitter jar. It's a favorite tool of mine and of a lot of yours. So the glitter jar is a tool that we can use to help us calm down. And if you can take a look at this glitter jar right now and see all the glitter mixed up. This glitter represents, I'll shake it up really good. The glitter jar represents all of our big thoughts and feelings and emotions that we have. Sometimes we have lots of thoughts going through our mind. Sometimes we have lots of big emotions going through us, right? And what we know is that when we take deep breaths and we watch the glitter settle, those thoughts and those big feelings, they start to not be so big anymore. Can you see the glitter in the jar? Did it go away completely? It's still there, isn't it? See the glitter at the bottom of the jar? That's just like our thoughts and our feelings. They don't ever fully go away. They're a part of us. But what we can do is we can settle those thoughts. We can settle those big feelings by watching the glitter settle and taking deep breaths. Try it with me. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. And even though those feelings are still a part of us, our thoughts are still a part of us, when the glitter settles, it's just like our mind, which is clearer, not as foggy, not as full of big feelings circling around. And then when our glitter settles and our brain feels a little bit clearer, our mind feels a little bit clearer, we can make better choices. We can solve our problems better. We can think and take a little pause before we react. And that's really hard to do all those things when we're having big feelings in us, big emotions in us, like feeling really scared or sad or lonely or afraid or frustrated or even really excited. Those are all big feelings. And do you remember what part of our brain those feelings live in? That's right, our guard dog. So when we settle those thoughts and feelings, remember, we're calming guard dog down. And then we can use our wise owl to focus and to think and to make good choices on how we solve our problem. And Miss Elefante can say, oh, I remember that I have this tool available to me. Now, the fun thing about the glitter jar is that you can make your own glitter jar at home. So I'm going to show you how right now. It's really easy. So all you need is a jar, a clear jar, and you can use an old jar from jelly, or you can even use a water bottle. Plastic is the best thing to use, but you can also use a glass jar. So you need a jar, and you need some glitter and some glitter glue and some water. So you just need a clear jar, some glitter, and some glitter glue and water. And you mix all of those things in your jar. So I'll show you how now. So I'm gonna open my glitter and I'm gonna pour it in really carefully, because sometimes our moms and dads don't like it when we get glitter all over. So I'm going to carefully put my glitter in the jar, and then I'm going to take my glitter glue and I'm going to squeeze my glitter glue in the jar. That's pretty fun to do. And I decided not to use all of my glitter and all of my glitter glue, so maybe I can make another glitter jar, for a friend or one of my siblings. And then I'm going to take the water and pour it in the jar. You could fill yours a little bit fuller. You could fill it all the way to the top. And then we put the lid on really, really tight. And you can shake it all up, and you have your very own glitter jar, just like mine. So, if you want a new tool at your house to help you feel calm and to help you find that focus and to help you calm all your big feelings and thoughts, you can make a glitter jar, just like that. See you next time.